Alright, so I have this BBE Acoustimax pedal. It's a really great pedal, but it's having some problems with the power supply. Let me show you what's going on here. There it goes. So power's on, see the lights, and if I let go of it, power's off. You have to kind of push it to the right, so there's some loose connection going on in there. I've got to open up this wall wart and probably chop it a little lower and then reattach it inside the wall wart. It's been a long time since I opened up a wall wart. I looked at some YouTube videos. They seem to suggest that if you soak the seams in alcohol, well, some people are using gas. I don't really want to use gasoline on my workbench. So let's try this. This is isopropyl alcohol. Let's let that soak for just a couple minutes. And then we'll try to pry this open, see if we get lucky. I also wonder if just running a knife along that seam will help loosen anything up. That one gave a little crack in a good way. Felt like it gave a little bit. Yeah, I think that's the ticket. Is it breaking it, or is it just breaking it free? Do not know. Something's clicking. It's not pretty. It's definitely breaking that seam open. I don't know if you can see. It's coming open. One way or another, I think it's going to come open. Oh yeah, look at that. Overall, not terrible. I'm not sure if... It's hard to tell if the alcohol actually did anything, but I feel like I non-destructively got it open. Okay, so the game plan. I'm going to cut it here. Cut it somewhere down here, because I think the bad part's right around here somewhere. I'm going to solder those together, heat shrink them, and then we'll put it back together and epoxy a strain relief. Alright, let's do it. Actually, I think it's right. I think that's exactly where it was broken. It's like the right one has some copper sticking out and the left one, I don't see anything. I think the wire in there has just worn out over time. That's good news, because I think that's the problem. So if I had to do that again, and I'm sure I will sometime in my life, I'd probably just try the same thing. I'd watch this video and then I'd get some alcohol and a chisel. It did work. Alright, let's get the soldering iron fired up. Let's get these stripped. We'll get a little bit of heat shrink. This should be quick. hit those with a heat gun. That's all it takes. And then, actually what I think I'll do is I'll go old school. I think I'll put a knot inside the chassis. That'll give it even better strain relief. Hopefully it doesn't strain the strands, which is the problem in the first place. First of all, let's see if we fix the problem without getting electrocuted. Just gonna place this on the top so I don't have to touch anything on the inside. Yeah, looks good. No shorting, you can move that around all day, no problem. Good, good, good. Alright, so 2 steps now. We gotta just super glue this thing shut. It actually sealed itself pretty well. Super glue this shut, and then I'm gonna put some 5-minute epoxy on the end to give it some more strain relief. It's my go-to for mixing epoxy. I have in packs of 100. I buy these blank credit cards. I love these things. Use them for shims, use them for scrapers, use them to mix epoxy. One of my favorite things in the shop. And then for a mixer and applicator, one of the things I always have that's dirt cheap and I don't mind throwing away, just a clothespin. Just take one of the legs off a clothespin. Those make a great applicator. Yeah, I think we're going to call that good. It didn't work and now it does, so call it a success.